Hey guys, it's Dr. Kay. I am here to tell you all about facial plastic surgery. I do faces. I'm located in Los Angeles. My Instagram is Beauty by Dr. Kay, and you're watching my YouTube channel, Beauty by Dr. Kay. Today, let's learn all about radiofrequency microneedling, and this is a powerful technique. It's going to tighten and grow new collagen. So collagen stimulation is where we are. We are going to treat older, sun-damaged skin with crepiness and textural changes, and microneedling is a process that creates a small injury in the surface of the skin and causes the skin to heal with collagen production. This is an amazing technique. We're going to do radiofrequency microneedling, and you're going to see immediate contracting of the tissues and improvement with long-term change that shows up 4 to 6 weeks later. Check it out. So we're doing multiple passes, creating some dermal injury. And every time these microneedles enter the skin, they're going to be a trauma to the skin. So I love microneedling for the face. It's also quite effective for the neck and chest. When we finish her treatment today, she's going to be red, a little more inflamed. 4 or 5 days, the skin will look back to normal. You certainly have to use sunscreen immediately after your treatment. And you'll try my hydration serum and our stem cell growth factor serum, which will help get right into these microperforations that we're treating. We're creating microperforations in the skin. That's a great way to deliver stem cell growth factors deeper and more effective. And the whole goal is creation of new collagen. Are you excited about that?
Very.
What's your sensitivity like on a scale of 1 to 10 right now?
I can't feel it.
You don't feel it?
Barely. It's like something touched me. The only thing that you feel is like a little afterwards.
A little aftershock?
Mm-hmm.
Like a little ant bite feeling,
Yeah.
would you say?
Yes.
Bug bite? A little bug bitey. Like Dracula. Good. So you can see the diffuse redness all over her neck. It's nice. It's waking up those dormant tissues. You have to do things as you age to get collagen to turn on. All of the processes in our body are programmed to wind down and turn off and become senescent. And the things that we can do to stimulate collagen to grow start with retin A, which is a really high-dose vitamin A product which grows new collagen, used at night. Everyone over age 30 should be doing some retin A every night at bedtime. You want to use stem cell growth factors because those help to turn on the youthful genetics that still remain inside the DNA of your cells. You also want to do things like hormone replacement because that also keeps your skin youthful, and microneedling. And here, as we cross over the collarbone, it can be a little more sensitive, so just let me know if that's sensitive anywhere. Not too bad, right? So peels, lasers, microneedling, these are all ways to remind older skin to wake up and behave more youthfully. And if you don't do them, If you don't do them, you're just going to age. And aging is not always the most graceful process, so the things you do to maintain beauty and attractiveness are so important. Wouldn't you say, Nona?
Yes, I would.
You take good care of yourself, right?
Yes.
Not enough.
Not enough. And
Not enough.
we can always try to do that.
You take care of a lot of people in your family.
I do.
You do. And here it's beeping once in a while when the bony surface is a little irregular. So it's good. This machine has some built-in defenses where if you don't touch things just right, it can stop the firing. Well, I like to see you taking better care of yourself. Life is short. You're the only one that's going to take care of you, right?
Right.
That's a hard lesson to learn. Most people don't figure that out. And you're delicate here. As we go, I can see that the microneedling is creating a little bit more pinpoint areas of bleeding. Just little needles that come through will do that, of course, but this skin is more rugged. This skin has had so much more sun damage. So there you have it. That is Morpheus 8, and that is one full session. And we will do this again 6 to 8 weeks from now. And I'm going to go back and do an additional pass with a slightly deeper weird needles to kill some of that submental fat. Would you like that?
Sure.
Why not? So Accutide is like a mini version of FaceTite.
Yes, so you don't have to do the tumescent infiltration with it. You can just use a lidocaine. And it's perfect for like the under eyes, above the lids. You can use it.
Okay, good. Is that too painful with it? Is it
No.
numb enough? Sure. I think we should treat that because that gets the jowls bother you. And she has these little feathery whiskers here that
Yeah,
bug
I've seen
her. The little feathers, it's a good thing to treat too, right?
Yeah, oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
This is essentially almost like where you would typically want
Oh, but
to
I'm gonna melt my stuff.
No, just a little. That's superficial. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed learning with me. If you loved what you saw, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me some comments. Find me on Instagram at Beauty by Dr. Kay, dr.kay, doing amazing things with people's faces. Bye.